In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the online pop-ups and misleading notifications that are coming from the site evenavetoe.com. To be quite frank with you, these pop-ups definitely don't make any sense at all. And these pop-ups are absolutely fake and deceptive. They try to make users click on allow, supposedly to help users continue watching some content, but in reality it's a mistake to click on allow, because this would hijack the browser with multiple advertisements that will keep attacking the screen in the form of permanent and really intrusive push notifications. So if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser by accessing the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. So remove these junk sites in case you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of all of these junk sites. Also, to make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I recommend you to investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install the software, and as soon as it gets installed, start carefully examining the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.